So let's go down and say for quote and author. You can do two different or loops, but let's not do that. That's gonna be a lot longer. Do not put the s in the end, because if you do that, it's gonna get confused with this, and it's already a variable, and it's gonna be a mess. So and then in zip, and then do this, and then say quotes authors. So it's gonna look in the quotes and authors that we put above here. Um, and then you want it to print, or we wanna print quote.text, and then false. Got this here, and then say e dash mark, and then after that go here and say gloss again, authors dot text. Authors dot text. If you're using the newer version of Python, which is Python 3.13, there's a lot easier way. Basically it's like this: you put an F at the start, and then you put this in curly braces, and then you go here. You don't have to put the plus anymore. You can just add it like this. Then here you don't need this. And here you put the curly braces. Curly braces. And at the end here you put the curly braces. This is something that is only in the new version of Python. You can do that if you want. I feel like this one's easier, but just make it the same thing that was before. Okay, and then enter, and then we're gonna say writer dot write row, and then it's gonna be codec code dot text and author dot text. So you're basically just putting the data in the quotes. So let's say that says CSV is not defined. Yeah, you need to import CSV here. I don't know if you need to download that from pip. I think it comes with Python. Results has no attribute text. And I think I found the problem is CS here. Take it away and run it again. So it works. You have the quote here, and then you have who wrote it, exactly not how it is in the website, but in the same format. Basically, you have the writer dash, and then here we replaced the dash by replaced by the dash. So yeah, it looks pretty good. But now to make sure it works, let's do this. Let's go to this PC data. Let's go to final files, and then let's go to web scraping template. So this is our CSV file. Let's see how we're gonna run this. You can run it with a lot of stuff. You can run it with Excel. You can run it with Google Sheets. Let's run it with Google Sheets here. So let's go D, and then Python files, web scraping template. This should be automatically created with our code. So it's uploading. And yes, so you have the rows, and then you have the text who it was written by. You can see here the quotes are too long, so let's just make it wider. And perfect. So yeah, that's it. You just put your first web scraper. Now imagine how much stuff you can do with this. You can go into any website, get any data, and how much this helps you with creating anything else. You can create websites and apps, and you can just get an unlimited amount of data without really having to work much because of the template you just made. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.